Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on our training series. Thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So guys, in the previous session, we have discussed about the aggregation expressions into our CDS view. In this today's session, we will discuss about the inner join. Okay. So what are the inner joins? Okay. As all of you might aware of the inner joins. Okay. You already have done the inner joins into our for web training. Okay. Those who don't know, we will discuss that also. Okay. So just same as we know about this inner join is, what is this inner join is, guys? Inner join is used to combines the data from two tables. Simple, two or more tables. We can say, yeah, only from two tables. Why I'm saying two tables? Because we are fetching the data from two tables first. Okay. From two tables. On what condition? If the specified condition matched. Okay, whatever the condition we have given over there, if that condition will match. For example, we used to write that in our core web training, we used to write the select EBL and what is that? Push metana from EKKO, inner join, EKPO, on what is that? EKKO का EBL equals to EKPO का EBL. Same, okay, into table at the red data WT join. This is what we used to use in our core web select query. Okay, same scenario we have to follow here also. Okay, same. So inner join which combines the data from different tables, from two tables. If the specified criteria met, then it will has the data from both the tables. Is this clear, guys? Okay, so inner join is like similar to an intersection only. Okay, and inner join is similar to intersection. Na? Intersection. We have already seen what is intersection. What is intersection? It will fetch the common details between the two tables. Okay, intersection where data is fetched, from the two tables based on a field that is common, where data is fetched from two tables based on a field that is common in both tables. It is clear, guys. So without wasting time, let's go back to our Eclipse and we will create one CDS view with inner join. Okay. So what we will discuss here is first we will pass the data from let's say VBAP. Then from this VBAP we will just pass the material details. Okay, from MAKP. Material description we will pass. Okay. So just right click, new. Okay. So there is a repository object, data definition. Select this, click on next, and then okay, CDS view with CDS with inner join. Okay, inner join. Just click on next. Then I will click on next, and here you can see something here. Define view with join. Click on finish. Defines a CDS CDIC view which combines two data sources. Okay. We will discuss about the inner join in this session only. Okay. We will discuss about left and the right outer join also. Just give me a moment. Okay. So let's remove all this. Okay. For me, my best practice is I have to write all the code for my own. Okay. So what I will do is, let's say, firstly, I will fetch the data from the VBA. Normal. Okay. VBA. And what I will do is give the name here also. The inner join. Okay. Save this. VBL and I will fetch. Okay. And leave that. Okay. What I will do is now what I have to do is I have to fetch the common entries from the VBAP also. I will give this name as head. Okay. What I will do is and we have to write the inner join. On which table I have to give the inner join? Inner join. Which table, guys? VBAP. Okay. VBAP. Inner join VBAP as item. Okay. Now what I have to do is same thing, guys. On head dot control space VBELN equals to item dot VBELN. Okay. So what it will do? It will fetch the data from both the tables, which is from header, which is sales order header table and sales order item table. Is this clear, guys? Now, same scenario, what we have to write in our select query, we have to give that here. Okay. Key head VBELN. Okay. Let's fetch some tables from head mode. Dot control space VBTYP. Now, if I want to fetch details from the item, give item dot control space XA Magna, and at the last, let's say item dot network. Okay, simple, guys. Nothing new we have to do over here. Save this, check this, and then finally activate this. Okay, right click, run as same over web application. So it just fetch the data from both the table VBL for this VBL and this is my material number. This is my network. Okay. What which I can also do is I can give here as sales order, sales document, sales type. Okay. Material. I can give this name as order value. Okay. Save this and check this and then finally activate this. Right click, run as. Once again, activated, right click, run as our ABAP application. You can see it is type the data with our sales document, number, sales type, material, order value. Okay, this is how we can achieve this inner join into our CDS views. Hope this one is clear to all of you. If I want to do one more round, I can again write inner join. Okay, inner join MAKT as material. MATR, material. Again, I can write here on MAT, on item, yeah, MATNAR equals to MATR, the MATNAR. Okay, now I can select the field from MATR. One second. The MATR, the let's say MAKTX as material description. Okay, and what I can also do is I can also pass the MATR, the locality test only. This error this one is saying is the table or table name file is unknown. Huh? Why? Okay, let's see once again, guys. Okay, after every join condition, after every join, just give the condition only. Okay, save this, then check this, and then finally activate this. Right click, run as our application. So guys, so this is how we can find out we can put inner join on multiple tables. Okay, is this clear, guys? I hope this one is clear to everyone. So after every inner join, give the condition just respective to that only. Okay. Hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. Okay, we can create this inner join. You can guys can practice on some different tables like on which table you can say you can just new tables which you have discussed in our previous session. Okay, item table and product table. You can on this table you can put a join and see. Okay, and for this item we are having GUID. Okay, and for this also we are having product GUID, which is common in both the table. For this one we are having product GUID, and for this one we are having node key. So you can guys can practice this inner join on for these tables. Okay, I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. Now, so sometimes the important things which comes now, up to where everyone knows about this, what is inner join, how can we put it? Okay, only syntax what's in there and serious views. Now, some people you might have listened like, but this time like this is very expensive. Why? What do you think? This is very expensive for database to do this. Okay. Why this inner join is expensive for the database to do this? Okay. Why is this data? Why is this data which is produced here? If I will go here. Okay, sorry. Let's activate this once again. Right click. Why I'm saying is, yeah, let's go back now. So why I am saying here that this data which is produced is expensive to produce the data for the database. Okay, why is this expensive? Because here, if you can see, we have put a join. What? We have put a join. Now, what does a join do? A join means please compare these two things together. These two things together. Okay, don't produce any results if these two things are not matching. If these two values, if this value is not matching, then don't produce this result. So database now technically going and checking every here in this case every VLN. Okay, now data what database is doing? Now database is going to every line item to check this VBLN. Okay, in this VBAK table, in this header table. Now every record of this item table also is now cross-checked. So what is this item table is my VBAP. Now this item table record is also cross-checked to be in the header table. Okay, if this header, if this VBLN exists there in item table, only then it will fetch the okay, it will fetch the results and it will get to only the records where this join matches. Is this clear, everyone? So that's why this is very expensive when you are actually going deeper into the database and checking every record corresponding to this VBLN in this case. Okay, then you are fetching them up from the item table. Okay, is this clear, everybody? Why I am saying here is why these inner joins are expensive. So if someone will come up and ask you, so inner joins are expensive because database is going to every item table to check cross verifying this item table, this VBLN exists there or not. Okay, so think from the database level from the database level, how expensive is this? Okay, so is it clear why the join is expensive? Because if someone will come, let me write here. Why? Once again, why the joins is expensive? Because system has to go and it has to check every single record, and it has to only produce those reports. Which reports? Those reports which have corresponding data in the item table. In this case, it has to produce only the corresponding data, okay, on which we have put it the join. Is this clear, guys? So this is really very expensive. Okay. So this is what the issue is over there. Okay. I hope this one is clear to everyone, this inner join, guys. Okay. So join is bound and to happen always. Okay. So as a result, what we want is, in this case, how can we come up with this approach? How can we we get relief from this? So as a result, we found something which is known as join on demand. or you can say on-demand join. You don't want a join all the time. You want to join when exactly item sales order is selected only on the required time, only when we want this. Okay, give me those items only on which I am selected. Okay, so this is what the new concept came up with, which is known as join on demand. Okay, which is known as join on demand. If I will go there, join on demand. What is the join on demand? Exactly. Some of you have expecting this. What I am going to write is which is known as association. So in the next session, we will discuss about the join on demand, or we can say is association. So if someone will come up and next time will come up and ask you what is the difference between association and inner join, you can say inner join are tightly bound and associations are join on demand. Now in the next session, we will discuss about why I am saying this join on demand. Okay. I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. Clear? Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.